Good morning. Oops. So, okay, I don't think that I'm gonna have a good day because of this. But, anyways, good morning, buddy. Guys, what's up? So welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I do have a travel vlog for you guys, but I'm not traveling outside of Berlin because I still have so many places to explore inside of Berlin, and I have only one day off from my work, so I cannot go outside of Berlin. So that's why I have decided to explore a very beautiful place from Berlin, and which is called Victoria Park. So don't go anywhere, come with me, let's explore Victoria Park. So guys, it's a solo travel and I'm enjoying my company too. So guys, the Google Maps says that I still have to walk for 2 minutes, and the best part of today is the weather, which is very nice, and sun is shining. And as you guys know that when sun shines, everything looks beautiful, pretty, and I feel very happy in this kind of weather, like I can walk freely. So I still have to walk for 1 minute. It's 230 meter. So guys, here I entered the park, but the best part of the park is yet to come. So don't go anywhere. So guys, this is a very nice park to visit with your friends and families. So guys, finally the best part of the park is going to reveal, but you still have to wait for a minute. So guys, the best part of the park is the waterfall, and the name of this waterfall is Kreuzberg Wasserfall. It's in Victoria Park, Berlin, and it's very beautiful, as you can see. So guys, let's go a bit high and let's check it out, the waterfall from top of this mountain. So guys, the Victoria Park is an urban park in the locality of Kreuzberg in Berlin, Germany, and it was opened in 1894. So guys, Kreuzberg is just not the name of the borough in Berlin, but also that a name of a 66-meter high hill, and on the top of the hill stands a national mountain, and there is a small romantic park as well where you can enjoy with your loved ones. And Also, this is the place where in the city where you can enjoy the atmosphere of a bubbling waterfall as well. I'm on the top of the mountain and the view is awesome. The guy, there is a dog who's disturbing me. Okay. So if you guys enjoying my videos and if you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll come back next Friday with another travel vlog. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye.